Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Vegetable Pan Cover 33 Part #WR32X31481. The GE Vegetable Pan Cover 33 Part #WR32X31481 is a replacement part for the vegetable pan in GE refrigerators. It is made of durable plastic and fits the 33-inch wide vegetable pan in GE refrigerators. The cover helps to keep vegetables fresh and prevents them from drying out. It also helps to reduce odors and spills in the refrigerator. The cover has a snap-on design that makes it easy to install and remove. It is designed to fit most GE refrigerator models, including those with French doors, side-by-side, top freezer, bottom freezer, and counter DEP. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WR32X31481 Vegetable Pan Cover 33 is designed to replace a damaged or worn vegetable pan cover on a refrigerator. It can help fix symptoms such as a broken or cracked vegetable pan cover, or one that is not sealing properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the vegetable pan drawer from the refrigerator by pulling it out. 3. Unscrew the screws that are holding the old cover in place and remove it. 4. Place the new cover in place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 5. Plug the refrigerator back into the wall outlet and slide the vegetable pan drawer back into place. 6. Test 2. Make sure that everything is working properly before closing up your refrigerator. Again, you can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.